Hello and welcome to Boutique Julique unboxing part 2 of my C10 Avon order. I'm doing this in a little bit different format, so click the like button if you enjoy this. I'm going to start off here with fashion, and I've got the lightweight pullover and then the textured two-piece set in maroon. Very nice, selling out fast. Now there are some free products here from the For Mom 250 bundle. That's the Beyond Glow. But up next is the new Bare two-piece set. Okay, and then we've got some silicone glove hand cream now back in stock. The Faraway Escape diffuser tile gift set. 2 of those for teachers' gifts. Another product in the free bonus gift is the Beyond Glow Centella, and then 2 more Bare products, and those products are for clearer skin. Very nice. You should try them. My kids have been using them. And more silicone glove. And then I've got some samples. Mesmerize for him and the Faraway Bali, one of my favorites. This was jewelry in the free gift, and I really like this. I actually got one of these for Dana. Her birthday is on Wednesday. Shout out. Hey girl, hey. Okay, so now I'm opening up. Okay, and if you shop the clearance, you can get a free gift. So those Hydra Fusion, there's actually 2 of them, were free gifts, and this was some jewelry from the clearance. I'll have to show that off later because it was packaged. Okay, another Hydra Fusion, and then yes, the cheek color was also part of that free bundle. So yeah, ask me how as a rep you can get all these free products, because all of these you're seeing now were also part of that. So we've got some eyeliner, lip liner, brow liner, gloss, and I forget. Anyway, and then last but not least, our brochures.